Today, we're diving into a thrilling development in the world of renewable energy. How AI will make residential solar installations cheaper and faster. Artificial intelligence has permeated nearly every industry, and residential solar is no exception. This integration is a boon for consumers, promising faster, more affordable installations and enhanced performance of home energy systems over time. But how exactly is AI reshaping solar installations? Let's find out. Firstly, AI assists in designing solar systems tailored to individual properties, considering factors like roof layout and sun exposure. This level of customization ensures maximum efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Moreover, AI's role extends to optimizing home batteries and predicting maintenance costs, vital for long-term sustainability and financial planning. But it's not just about the future. AI's impact is already palpable in the solar industry. From AI-driven chatbots streamlining customer service to engineering AI optimizing home energy systems, these technologies are revolutionizing how solar companies operate. For instance, AI can reduce errors in solar panel design by gathering detailed data about a customer's roof, speeding up the installation process, and ultimately cutting costs. Looking ahead, the potential of AI in solar energy is vast. We can anticipate AI taking a more significant role in customer acquisition, installation, and maintenance. Imagine AI-driven chatbots being your first point of contact with a solar company, offering personalized information and answering queries efficiently. This could revolutionize customer interaction and reduce labor costs. Pre-construction planning is another area ripe for AI intervention. AI could provide real-time design options based on specific goals, whether it's minimizing costs or maximizing energy production. Furthermore, AI could enable remote site examinations through drone flyovers, gathering crucial data without the need for physical visits, streamlining the installation process significantly. Once installed, AI continues to add value. Embedded in solar systems, especially those paired with home batteries, AI can optimize performance based on factors like local weather forecasts and energy demand patterns. And let's not forget maintenance. AI can predict maintenance needs, ensuring your system runs smoothly and efficiently over the long term. In terms of risks, the expansion of AI in the solar industry seems relatively risk-free. As AI systems process more data over time, their decision-making improves, reducing any potential risks associated with scaling. For those on the fence about investing in solar panels, the message is clear: don't wait. The benefits of solar energy, enhanced by AI, are available now, and the technology will only get better. Current solar customers aren't left out, either. With AI, your system's software can continuously update, improving performance without needing new hardware. AI is not just a futuristic concept in the solar industry. It's a present-day reality with far-reaching implications for efficiency, cost, and sustainability. The integration of AI in residential solar installations is a game-changer, signaling a brighter, greener future for us all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.